Well, another day in the shop. We actually have quite a bit that's come in, and there's more stuff coming, so that's good. First off, we're going to work on a home light chainsaw. It needs a tune-up. It's the same customer from my previous video, so hopefully it's good. It's not bad like the other one. Got a snowblower over there, a lawnmower, and another snowblower that's hiding right here. That's the one that needs the new carburetor. So hopefully the carburetor shows up today and we get that installed and done. All right, let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing I do on any chainsaw repair is I remove the exhaust. I don't even try to start it. I need to inspect that piston, the rings, and the cylinder. Alright, so I'm looking down the exhaust, and this one looks pretty good. That's encouraging. So I'll put that exhaust back on, try to start it up. Alright, so I'm just checking if there's any gas in here, and there's none. Check the bar oil reservoir and see how much is in there. None. Alright, now we're trying to see if it'll pick up some gas. Looks like it is. That's encouraging. The air filter's a little dirty. That's okay. It's just a foam piece, so you just clean it and re-oil it. Alright, it needs to warm up, but it doesn't want to seem to idle. So I'm going to just turn the idle up so we can get it to run for a bit here. Get it to warm up, then we can make some adjustments. Alright, chainsaw is warmed up. It was kind of making a funky noise over here, so I went ahead and took the panel off just to inspect and see what's going on, and then everything looks fine. It's just like this clutch. It's kind of, I don't know, say flimsy? But while we have everything off, customer asked that we just put a new chain on. So we'll do that while we got it apart. Alright, that chainsaw is pretty much done. I need to clean the air filter. Like I said, it's just foam, so you just wash it with some hot soapy water, get all the dirt out of it, and then oil it and put it back in. So, alright, let's move on to a lawnmower that needs a tune-up and the blade sharpened. Tune-up was very straightforward. Oil change, air filter, spark plug, and the blade was just out of balance. It was pretty sharp, but it was just out of balance. So I balanced the blade and it runs great. So while we were working on that, good old Amazon showed up. Let's see what we get. Shear pins for the snowblower. Yeah, it's an older Ariens, and it's kind of weird. The listing came with shear bolts and a filter, a fuel filter. Yeah, this particular Ariens takes almost like a 2-inch shear pin. I had trouble finding it. It's not very common. It's just older. So I'll get that installed later. And it is. It's on the little single stage that we worked on the other day. I'll link the video so you can see me tearing it apart. But since we got the carburetor, let's put it back together.